In this video, we're going to go through layer grouping. Now, it's very beneficial at times to group certain layers together so that it's easier to filter these features when you need to. So there are many ways to actually create and manage layer groups, but we're going to actually go through the layer manager approach first. So if you head to your CAD ribbon and you tap on that icon, you're going to see a grouping that's called layers. And this is where we have the option to bring up the layer manager that shows us all the layers that we have. Now, if you open up the view filter manager, right, which is usually at the bottom of the page, you have your project explorer and your view filter manager. If you open up the page, you'll normally have a few layers that come by default in the layers, default layers grouping. Now I've gone ahead and I've already filtered out the 0 layer and the points layer into grouping number 1. I've already filtered them out into that. But then I also created some additional groupings called group 2 and also group number 3, right? And as you can see, they're titled based upon the features that appear or layers that appear under those headings. So I have a few more that are in the layers grouping called gas, sewer, and water. So no surprise there, I need a grouping that's called utilities. So we could go to where it says layer groupings here, and we could tap new, or while in the layer manager dialog box, we could also look at those specific layers, and we could also go and switch them here. But because there is none in there, we go new, and it's going to carry us to the same dialog box. So I'm going to go ahead and write out group number 4 utilities, and now I can tap close. Now you'll see because as directly in the layer manager, it automatically allowed me to go ahead and assign that new feature I've created. So now I can go ahead and place, and as you can see, each time I place each of these in a new group, they switch over. And there you have it. So I've now successfully created a customized layer manager grouping of each of these layers.